Many farmers are complaining of stunted growth. I've received a lot of calls and messages on how to deal with stunted growth, and I want to discuss it in this particular video. If this is a problem you are facing as a poultry farmer or as a broiler farmer this season, this particular video is for you. Or do you have an idea of any of your friends, colleague, or relative that is having such issue? Let them know about this particular video. I'm going to treat everything about stunted growth, and after this video, other videos that are loading, I will teach you how to know the growth stage of broilers from day 1 till the 6th week. What is stunted growth? You will know it in the particular video. How to deal with stunted growth, you also know it in this particular video. If there is anything you can do to bring your poultry pets, especially broilers, back to the normal growth, you will know it in the particular video also. Please watch the video till the end, and make sure at the end of this video, give it a thumb up and share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Stunted growth in broiler farming is one of the biggest challenges poultry farmers face. A stunted growth broiler lowers the normal weight gain below standard and often consumes feed without converting it into proper body weight. The results in poor performance, low profit, and at the same time high losses. When you say that your broiler is having stunted growth, what it means is that they eat a lot and they don't show anything for it. That is what it means. What is stunted growth? Also, a broiler failing to grow at the normal rate due to poor nutrition, diseases, improper management, or stress. A normal broiler should be 1.5 to 1.7 kg or more at 4 weeks, and 3.1 to 3.5 kg at 6 weeks. That is normal. Some can get up to 4 kg in 6 weeks also, depending on the type of food and environmental factors. If a bird remains small, weak, lightweight, less active, or slow growing, it is considered stunted growth. Let me tell you one thing again about stunted growth. When your broiler is having stunted growth, no matter the age of that broiler, if you slaughter that broiler today, the meat will be as tender as a day old or 1 week broiler. That is stunted growth. You have 6 weeks broiler. After slaughtering it, the meat is as tender as 2 weeks broiler. That is stunted growth. You feed them from morning till night. They eat bags of feed. They still remain the same. That is stunted growth. What are the major causes of stunted growth in broiler? One is poor quality feed. If you make mistake in giving them low quality feed in order to economize, in order not to spend much, so that you make the whole world in profit, at the end you may likely get low protein, expired feed, moldy feed, or wrong feed formula. All this will slow your broiler's growth drastically. 2, insufficient protein and energy in the feed. Broiler needs high protein. For starters, 21 to 23%. For growers, 19 to 20%. Low nutrient feed slows growth of your broilers, especially broilers, because they have short period of time. Number 3 is overcrowding. Too much birds in a single space reduces feed access and increases stress. At the same time, drops growth. Number 4, poor brooding management. If you make mistake during the brooding period, it is likely you are going to get the wrong result. Cold, hot, or poorly ventilated brooding affect early development of broilers, and once they are not able to meet up within that first week of life, they will find it difficult to grow. Number 5, diseases or infections, anything you call it, especially coccidiosis, Newcastle, Gumboro, chronic respiratory diseases, This reduces feed conversion and slows growth. Number 6, worm infestation. Internal worms compete for nutrients in the body of your poultry birds. Birds don't grow when they have internal worms. Even external worms also affect them also. Number 7, wet litter or dirty environment. Once the environment and litter is wet and dirty, smells all around, the broilers don't feel comfortable. So most of them will go and gather in one corner. If you give them food, they will not go. The broilers hate dirty environment. No, they don't like it. It creates infection and stress, reduces growth and feed conversion. Number 8, poor water quality. Dirty or contaminated water reduces feed intake and causes infection. See, if there is no water, good water, broilers will not eat. If you want to testify this, you want to experiment it, what you do is give them quality feed and don't give them water. See what will happen. They will leave the feed for you there. When you bring the water, they will not rush the water. They will now leave the water there and start eating feed, knowing that when they eat, they have water to drink. They are very sensible. They are intelligent also. Stress. Heat stress, noise, sudden temperature change, poor lighting, all slows growth of broilers. Give your broilers light at night, at least to eat some hours in the night. Most especially at the early stage, 23 hours light they need from day and night. And that one is poor genetics or weak chicks. If you want to book for your DO chicks, go to a reputable hatchery and trusted suppliers so that they will give you quality chick that have good standard right from the beginning, that are healthy. If you get unhealthy chick from the farm, it will affect the growth. Honestly, you start spending from day one till they mature. What are you waiting for? Buying low quality chicks from unreliable hatcheries leads to stunted performance from day one and it affects your profit. I don't know how you're going to make profit if at all it happens. So anytime you need chicken, go to someone you trust that can give you the quality chicken you need. Now, let me give you 7 effective solutions to cure stunted growth. Number 1, you see this is organic coccidiosis, Coccicure. This is a product of intense research. Coccidiosis affects growth. Most of the times, you may not even discover that your chicken are having coccidiosis. They will be drying, their legs will be drying. It will be inside them. Before coccidiosis kill your chicken, it takes time. So this is a product we have developed to take care of coccidiosis of all stages. You can see it here. Coccicure. This is organic Coccicure. This product is doing wonderful in our farm here. So if you need this product, it's just 100 ml. So those of you that are crying, 5 liters is too much. This is 100 ml now. You can go for it. This 100 ml is 10,000 naira. And you only need 0.4 ml or 20 liters goes for 4 ml alone. 20 liters of water, 4 ml is what you need. Only 2-3 days, that's all, it's off. Any form of coccidiosis is gone. If your chicken is having stunted growth, you may not know that they have internal disease, eating, fighting, or dragging the food you are giving them. This is only 3 days. Organic Eco Coccicure. This is the solution to your stunted growth. Use this first before you start using the Eco Bio Booster. After cleansing them with this, you now start the Eco Bio Booster. Another solution we have brought is Feed Booster. This is another solution for it. Feed Booster. This Feed Booster is 15,000 naira. 1 kg of it is like 15,000 naira. You use it and mix with their feed. If you're having low quality feed, use this and mix it. Even if the feed, you don't trust the feed, use this Feed Booster and mix it with their feed. Within 1 week, you're going to see amazing results. And that one is our Eco Bio Booster, our yellow container 5 liters. That is another powerful product. Improve feed quality immediately. This is one of the ways to improve feed quality. Fresh, no moldy, stuff your feed properly, and good feed formulation. Good quality feed formulation is very important. Adding lysine, methionine, vitamin premise boost performance. All these are here. Organic lysine, organic methionine, organic feed booster is here also. In this particular, see it. Eco Bio Booster. Use it and mix in the feed. Most especially during the brooding stage, that first 3 weeks of life, add it to their feed and see amazing growth. Many farmers are satisfying. Another one is give multivitamin or amino acid and growth boosters, like our Eco Bio Booster is always available. 5 liters, 55,000 naira, can take care of your birds from beginning till the end. You give it to them at least 3 times or 5 times in a week. Give them ordinary water. Continue and see the result you're going to get. Many farmers are already smiling because of this product. Amino and concentrate is very important. Vitamin A, vitamin D, all these are contained in Eco Bio Booster. Vitamin B complex, electrolyte with vitamin C are all enough in this to restore metabolism and improve feed conversion ratio. Very rich in our Eco Bio Booster. Another one is deworm the bears after 4 days. After 14 days, please. 14 days, deworm your poultry beds and you are going to get amazing results. Eco Bio Booster has dewormer in it already because there are a lot of plants that help to deworm, detoxify their tracks, like neem oil, pawpaw leaf, and others. They are there in that Eco Bio Booster. So it contains dewormer also. Like most of all these worms affect their growth also. Fight with the feed they are giving to them. They compete with the feed. Number 4, treat any disease immediately. If you use Cosicure, you cleanse your system. All the diseases that are already affecting their eating habits will be cleansed. Diarrhea, blood droppings, sneezing, weakness, ruffle feather, all these are signs of infections. Coccidiosis, CROD, Gomboro, bacterial infections, all these are affecting your broilers' growth. Number 5, reduce overcrowding. Please give them enough space and enough ventilation. 8 to 10 bears per square meter for broilers. More space, better feed access, and faster growth. Number 6, improve brooding and housing conditions. Give them a very nice brooding house. Proper heat, 34 degrees centigrade day 1, and reduce it continuously with 2% every week. Good ventilation is very important. Dry litter always. You see the way our litters are dried. No water at all. Enough light. Put very good light. If you go and buy solar so that in the daytime it will charge, you're not spending money on electricity. Clean environment is very important. Number 7, ensure clean, constant water supply. Once there is enough water, they will eat well. And once they eat well, they will get maximum weight you deserve. Treat and sanitize the water. Fresh water is very good. And make sure you change their water always. They don't like dirty water, especially the broilers. Good quality water means good growth. Dirty water, disease, and stunted growth occurs. Please, stunted growth in broiler farming is caused mainly by poor nutrition, disease, overcrowding, stress, and bad management. The good news is that broilers can recover quickly when you apply the right solution is early enough. Most especially, contact me whenever you're having stunted growth. I will tell you what to do and how to dictate the problem. Solve that problem and you get your best to the normal growth. Improving feed quality, giving vitamins, treating diseases can clear and recover your best on time. Providing space, ensuring good brooding, and maintaining hygiene, your best will return to normal growth and reach market weight within minimal time. Please share the video to reach more poultry farmers. It's your best having stunted growth now, and they're not growing well. Some of us don't even know what stunted growth is all about. They may think it's normal. Let me tell you, the next video, I will tell you daily growth rate of your bird, so that if you have something like this, scale like this, digital scale like this, you have digital scale, you can monitor the growth of your broilers on daily basis. So you know whether you are having stunted growth or not. If your broiler is not falling within the range I will give you in the next video, you know that you have stunted growth. So you have to do something immediately. So don't miss that video. It's loading in the next channel. Make sure you are subscribed to all our channels, 2 channels for poultry and livestock farming, so that you get to know when your birds are having stunted growth. I will give you the growth analysis from day 1 till week 45. Till day 45, I mean. That is week 6. Please, stay tuned. That video is loading now. Thank you for watching. Share the video. Give the video a thumb up right away if you like this video. Please encourage us by sharing this video to reach more poultry farmers, and always give the video a thumb up. It will enable the platform to get to more farmers, and at the same time drop your comment. Thank you is good enough. Even if you chop one inch, always say thank you for good things like this. Bye for now.